Hi, how are you? Today our topic is about talent mix. Finally, tools that support both process and methods must make adaptation and change easy. But there is another aspect to emergent requirements. The vast majority of the software development to date assume that the boundary between the software based system and its external environment is stable. The boundary may change, but it will do so in a controlled manner, allowing the software to be adopted as part of a regular software maintenance cycle. This assumption is beginning to change. Open world software demands that software adopt and react to changes dynamically, even if they are unanticipated. By their nature, emergent requirements leads to change. How do we control the evaluation of a widely used application over a system over its lifetime, and what effects does this have on the way we design software? As the number of the changes grows, the likelihood of the unintended side effects also grows. This should be a cause for concern as complex systems with emergent requirements become the norm. The software engineering community must develop methods that help software teams predict the impact of the changes across an entire system, thereby mitigating unintended side effects. Today, our ability to accomplish this is severely limited. As a software-based system become more complex, as community and collaboration among global teams become commonplace as emergent requirements within the resultant flow of changes become the norm. The very nature of a software engineering team may change. Each software team must bring a variety of creative talent and technical skills to its part of a complex system, and the overall process must allow the output of these islands of the talent to merge effectively. Alexandra Weber more or less suggests the talent mix of a software dream team. The brain is the chief architect who is able to navigate the demands of the stakeholders and map them into a technology framework that is both extensible and implementable. The data grid is a database and the data structures group who blasts through rows and columns with profound understanding of the predict logic and set theory as it pertains to the relational model. The blocker is the technical leader who allows the team to work free of interference from other teams while at the same time ensuring that collaboration is occurring. The hacker is the consumptive programmer who is at home with patterns and languages and can use both effectively. The gatherer deftly discovers system requirements with anthropological insight and accurately expresses them with clarity. Software building blocks. All of us who have fostered a software engineering philosophy have emphasized the need for reuse of software code, object oriented classes, components, patterns, and codes software. Although the software engineering community has made progress as it attempts to capture past knowledge and reuse proven solution, a significant percentage of the software that is built today continues to be built from scratch. Part of the reason for this is a continuing desire by stakeholders and the software engineering particulars for unique solutions. In the hardware world, original equipment manufacturers OEMs of the digital devices use application specific standards product ASSPS produced by Silicon almost exclusively. This merchant and hardware provides the building blocks necessary to the implement everything from a smartphone to a web-based computing device. Increasing the same OEMs are using merchant software building blocks designed specifically for a unique application standard provides implementation. Smartphones building software designed specifically almost exclusively manufactured reasons for the continuous desired stakeholder implementation, increasingly block designs, unique application domain, VoIP devices. Michael Ward comments. Now our topic is going to be closed. We will meet in our next video. Allah Hafiz.